Ever spent weeks stitching together fragmented market data only to realize your assumptions are built on sand? The market sizing pack crushes that chaos with precision tools: bottom up TAM, SAM, SOM modeling, top down validation with demand elasticity curves, interactive templates for scenario analysis, and expert vetted demand forecasting frameworks. We built this for business analysts drowning in spreadsheets, strategy managers needing bulletproof models, product leads chasing addressable markets, and consultants validating client bets. Spoiler, your old guesstimate spreadsheet just got canceled. Here's what's inside the market sizing pack: data preparation with TAM boundary definitions and SAM filtering logic, bottom-up modeling with unit economics drivers and adoption S-curves, top-down validation using macroeconomic indicators and channel saturation benchmarks, interactive templates for sensitivity analysis and margin impact modeling, real-world case studies across SaaS churn models, hardware adoption life cycles, and service market penetration curves. Each phase comes with working code templates, performance benchmarks, and progress checklists. And it works everywhere: Claude Code, Cursor, Gemini CLI, Windsurf, Copilot, Warp, and more. This isn't just a toolkit, it's your new market truth engine. Installing the market sizing pack takes one command: npx quanta-skills add market-sizing-pack. That's it. You'll download the complete workflow: bottom-up modeling code, validation templates with built-in sanity checks, 12 annotated case studies, and the demand forecasting framework playbook. Your next Claude code session auto-loads the templates, and your AI assistant now speaks fluent TAM, SAM, SOM. No PhD required. Just plug in your data and watch the magic. Start building defensible market models before your coffee hits empty.